What's the matter, Johnny?
I'm really having difficulties understanding these many economics concepts. I have considered on meeting a private tutor. But, unfortunately, we are writing our exams next week and time is not on my side. During the session, I couldn't do the assignments and complete the project assigned to my class by the course tutor. I'm even planning on stopping economics lessons after this semester.
Oh. Really? Haven't you heard of MOG Economics? It's the right place to be for those students facing challenges learning economics. Go on YouTube and subscribe to the channel. You can check the playlist for videos on various economics topics. They give students in-depth understanding of microeconomics and macroeconomics principles. Topics as national income, unemployment, market structures, utility, demand and supply and lots more are extensively covered. You can also turn on the jingle bell icon behind the subscribe button to receive notifications of new videos later posted in future.
Wow! Amazing! Thank you so much, Cynthia.
Oh. It's my pleasure, Johnny.
Visit and subscribe to # MOG Economics on YouTube today.